Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to welcome you to this watercolor painting course, and I'd like to go over the supplies and the materials that you will need for this entire course. So let's get started. The first thing that you will need for this course is paper. Watercolor paper works best if you have it. If you don't have access to watercolor paper, simply use any thick paper. That should do. You will also need a set of watercolor paints. I like to use this type of a set because it has a lot of different choices in colors. So if you have something like this available to you, that would be a great thing to use. You will also need some clean water and some paintbrushes. I have a large, a medium, and a small paintbrush here. If you do not have these exact sizes, that's okay. Just use what you have. You will also need a marker. A permanent marker works best if you have it. A permanent marker means that you can draw something and you can get it wet and the color, the black color, will not spread around. You will also need a pencil with an eraser. You will need some crayons. I like to use this set because it has a lot of different choices. And if you have oil pastels for one of the projects, we use these as well. And if you don't have oil pastels, that's okay. You can just use crayons. We also need a paper plate. We will be using the paper plate to put a little bit of salt on for one of our projects. You will also need some scrap paper that you can use to test out some colors. So it's always good to have something like this around. You will also need some white acrylic paint for one of the projects. And you will need some salt. Grab that salt. Some salt. This is just plain old table salt for one of the projects. And a handy dandy paper towel is always a good thing to have on hand when you are doing art. And then the last thing that you'll need is a little mat or some paper or some sort of a table covering to go underneath your artwork so that it will be easy cleanup. So I'm so excited to teach you this course, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.